we are here to present a BMC model for Hugging Face. What is Hugging Face? Founded in 2016 in Solomon Green, Julian and Thomas Wolfe, Hugging Face began the chatbot app before a prevent and to become a world's leading open source AI platform. Today it hosts over 500 modules and 10,000 databases serving millions of developers and researchers and enterprise globally. Founded New York 2016, valuation 4.5 billion 2023, community 1 million plus developers, module hostage is 500 crore plus, and core products and service. Hugging Faces of ecosystems to build around the interconnected pillars and the power of modern AI development. Modern AI development work transformers library, the go-to open source library for a state-of-the-art NLP visions and multimodal models. With 50,000 GitHub stalls and supported to PyTorch and TensorFlow and JAX. Hugging Face Hub, GitHub is like platform for sharing, discovering and collaboration on AI models and data sets. The world's largest ML repository, database and space. Concern database of training and evaluation plus space of hosting environment they deploy to the interactive ML demos instantly. Reference a interface a managed API enabling developers to run thousands of hosted models at a scale to infrastructure setup and required.
Hi, I am Sujit from Mechanical Department. Hugging Face role in AI industry. Defining open source AI. Hugging Face as becoming the central nervous system of open source AI community by making cutting edge models freely available. It has dramatically lowers the barrier to enter for developers and researchers worldwide. NLP and ML adoption, developers impact, academic influences. Business model overview. Hugging Face operates a dual engine strategy, pairing a thriving open source community with a growing enterprise revenue engines. There are three types: open source, platform growth, enterprise monetization. Understanding the framework, key partnership, key activities, value proposition, key resources, customer relationship, customer segments, channels, cost structure, revenue streams. Business model canvas developed by Alexander Hasselwander is a strategic management tool that maps an organization's entire business model over 9 interconnected business blocks. It provides a single-page view of how a company creates, delivers, and computes values, making it the deal's lens through which to analyze Hugging Face strategies.
Customer segments: AI developers and data scientists. The core community individuals building NLP pipelines, fine-tuning models, and sharing their work. They value free access, speed, and quality tooling. Enterprise clients: large organizations like finance, healthcare, legal, tech, education, medicine requiring private model hosting, SLA-backed support, and compliance grading infrastructure and security. Academic researchers: universities and research labs that rely on Hugging Face for reproducible benchmarks, data sets, and collaborative model development. Value propositions: instant access to AI, thousands of pre-trained models available with a single line of code, drastically reducing time to deployment for AI applications. Open source ecosystem: transparent, reproducible, and freely modifiable. Hugging Face empowers the community to innovate without vendor lock-in. Collaboration platform: version controlled model sharing, discussion threads, and leaderboards make it the definitive social platform for machine learning and artificial intelligence, which will help for the future technology to grow more. Enterprise grade reliability: dedicated private hubs, SSO, compliance features, private repositories, and priority support give enterprises confidence to deploy AI at scale.
Channels and customer relationships. Hugging Face reaches its users by hub and website, the primary discovery and access point, a self-serve platform for browsing, downloading, and deploying models. API and integration. Native integrations with AWS SageMaker, Azure ML, and Google Cloud allow enterprise adoption within existing workflows. Community and GitHub. Open source repositories, forums, Discord, and events drive organic growth and developer loyalty. Hugging Face nurtures relationships by community-driven support, peer-to-peer help via forums and Discord, creating a self-sustaining support ecosystem. Docs and tutorials, world-class documentation, courses, and hands-on notebook lowering the learning curve. Enterprise support, dedicated account managers, SLA agreements, and private onboarding for commercial clients. Revenue resources and partnerships, revenue streams, interface API, pay-per-use model serving, enterprise hub, private managed platform subscriptions, compute and hosting, GPU-backed spaces and training jobs, professional services, custom model development and consulting. Key sources and activities. 1 million plus developer community, the most valuable assets, cloud infrastructure powering interface at global scale, R&D teams advancing the Transformers library continuously. Key partnerships and costs, cloud providers, AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, research institution, Stanford, Big Science, cost drivers, infrastructure, R&D, and world-class AI talent. Open source contributors reduce marginal development cost.